Okay, my name's Myron Burnett with Wired. The biggest risk that I have in my company is my labor costs. And so if I'm looking at a job that's going to take guys, if I'm going to spend an 8-hour day with 2 guys running conduits, I'm not going to do that. It's just much more cost effective, and it takes a lot of the risk out of the job, because sure, maybe they get it done in this time and maybe it takes them 3 times longer. So when I have to weigh those risks, that's where SureFi makes the solution so much easier, because I know I can put it in and I can be sure that it's going to work. And so if I can eliminate the risks in labor, I'll do it. So I find myself leaning on it a lot more now than I even used to in the past, because I know that for this amount of money, I can have it done and my guys can be on to another job that much faster. That's how you win in this business. Right, your parts are pretty solid, they're not going to vary by too much, but your labor, you can win and you can really lose. That's where you really go upside down on a job that you expect to take 40 hours and it takes you 100 hours, just because of some unknowns. And so if you can eliminate those unknowns, you turn a lot more wins and a lot less losses. So that's why I use it a lot more now. We had a project recently where it had multiple buildings spread across the entire property, none of them interconnected with any conduits or anything. And they wanted to have every building secured with access control, which was a very unique, difficult challenge, because it wasn't really practical to run conduit across all the buildings, and even setting up a Wi-Fi network to accomplish that would have been problematic for us. To have to maintain a Wi-Fi network throughout the property. So the simple solution really became to use the SureFi bridges, because one of the range we could take from one centralized location where we had all of our hardware located as far as the access control panels, and then the SureFi bridges, and they were able to transmit to the farthest ends of the property. Some of them I'd guess they're a good quarter mile away. I mean, they were a long distance across public city streets where we would not have been able to get any conduits across. And with that SureFi bridge, it was an easy solution. And it didn't require any programming. We installed it, and it's been there and been working for at least 3 or 4 years now. So it's been a really solid solution for us. It is a go-to for whenever wiring even looks difficult.